what we are going to do today?
A kitty.
A kitty. I know. I did see that coming.
Why?
Because for sure you would ask me about a kitty.
Why?
Because you love kitty. Okay, so let's see if we can make it. Go.
Go.
In this case, I decided that a pencil would be a better solution because the shape is quite complicated. To start with the shape of the head, and that would set a little bit of space on the paper. The next step would be to set the center of the face with the nose, just a little oval or circle in the middle. So after that I have the exact place for the eyes. Then the ears are actually the next thing to do. So just a little shape there, both sides of the head, for shaping those. Then the body shape is the next item, and it will be a sort of a similar shape that we have done for the head, but just bigger and softer. So everything should be pretty much round, and leaving the space for the two paws just there in the middle. Again, everything should be pretty smooth, and then just a little two curved line for the mouth, and the tail, it's the next to be done. The good thing about working with the pencil is that I can rub out whatever it's not working properly, and then you see just a little detail for the ears, and just a little detail inside for having a bit of feel, like the fur will be different within the shapes when colored. Then I go back to the marker. So now I know perfectly what I have to draw and where to leave some space, and that's it. Our little kitty is done, so the only thing left would be to rub out the pencil so it looks like, printed. Here we go. We have our kitty. Is that okay with you? You like it?
Yeah.
And you guys like it?
I hope so.
I think so. Well, at least they know how to do it now.
It's very easy. You can just go at the end and pause this part and then just copy that.
Yeah. In this case, I used the pencil first, just because it was easier, to shape it out.
You don't know on every one.
No, the first ones were just markers. Yeah, I did.
Then
that.
how did you do it perfectly?
Because I'm awesome.
Excuse me.
Bye, guys.